What's going on YouTube? Vick Almighty here with another cleaning video. What I have on my table today are these Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 analogs. If you guys check out this video, you guys will know exactly what happened to these shoes and where they're coming from. Roll it.
I hope she doesn't get in the water. She should know better. Stella!
Hey, Stella!
Stella! No, no! Shit! Oh my god! What the f? Look at this shit. Let's go.
Thankfully, Stella's okay. Unfortunately for Kyle, he ruined the shoes. So we reached out to him. He sent us his shoes so we could clean them up for him. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is put the shoe to the side since we're only gonna be working on the left shoe for before and after purposes. First step we gotta do as well is take out our shoelaces and insole. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert our shoe tree, but adjust it to size first. All prep ready to go. Before we start cleaning, we're gonna go ahead and scrape off some of these big chunks of mud with my finger. The midsoles are good to go, but on the sole, there's a lot of mud chunks all around. Before we start cleaning and make a big mess, we're gonna use these little scissors to scrape it all out. All done with the soles, that'll save us a bunch of time and it'll also prevent a big mess. Now let's get started with the cleaning. The first step you gotta do is squirt a couple of our squirts of our solution inside our bowl. Bam. Now the first brush we're gonna be using is our saw bristle brush so we can start breaking down all the dirt on the uppers. Uppers are looking great, guys. We're gonna let the suds sit on the uppers for a little while so we can continue breaking down the dirt. Now continue using the saw bristle brush. We're gonna clean up the insides of the shoe. All right, uppers look good. Same thing with the insides. Anything I might have missed, the washing machine will take care of for me. Now, before we move on to the next brush, we're gonna grab our insole and clean it up real quick using the saw bristle brush. Okay, all done with that, all done with the saw bristle brush. Now let's move on to our medium bristle brush so we can take care of the midsoles on this shoe. All right, almost done with this cleaning, guys. Last brush we gotta use is our stiff bristle brush so we can clean up these soles. Pre-treatment's done on the shoe. Last step we gotta do before we put the shoes inside our sneaker laundry bag let's give the shoelace a quick scrubbing. To the washing machine. We made it to the laundry room. Let's go ahead and put these analogs inside the washing machine. As always guys, make sure to use cold water with the regular cycle, and of course, don't forget our Rejuvenator Secret Laundry Detergent. Alright YouTube, we got the shoe fully dried and clean. As you can see, it cleaned up perfectly. We got rid of all the brown stains on the uppers, the suede looks really good, the white mesh is back to white, the soles turned out great as well. Overall, this cleaning came out perfect. The last step we gotta do before we put the shoelaces on the shoe is reset the nap on the suede using our brass bristle brush. Jones up. That's gonna be it for this cleaning, guys. We got the shoes fully cleaned up as promised for Kyle. We're gonna send them back, hook them up with some Rejuvenator product just in case if Stella ever jumps back in the water. You can find all the stuff you see right here at rejuvenator.com. Check out the description below for a promo code to save some money. Since Vick Almighty, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next Monday.